Here we are at the Kanta Elephant Sanctuary. We've got all the good clothes on and we're ready to go interact with the elephants. Do you have your food bag?
I got it. I'm
to
ready.
feed the elephants?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Oh, look at this. Sugar.
Yeah. Because of the, I work with them since when I worked 2010. It's still. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, this elephant is a group of 5 elephants that they along together. This is their friend. I mean, the most of the day they like to be together. Some day not. Depends on. And because up here there is the adult elephant, baby one, and teenager ones too. So elephant they can live 70 years, almost like human. So that means elephant year and human year same. For example, like this one her name Panwat, 44 years old. Panwat, we rescue her from very nice and good family taking care. And finally, the family had a problem of not enough space, not enough time to take care. I'm not recommend you give the elephant like this. Elephant food, some people like this. Oh, thank you. They grab with your finger. Like this. How lazy. If you gentle, elephant gentle. If you want to hug the elephant, hug from outside of the trunk. Don't worry, when the elephant move, it's not mean they're gonna hurt or push you away. They just try to looking for the food. They get it more gentle and more picky.
Here we go.
I'll do both. You go ahead.
Or whenever you see the elephant, possible. That's one of the reasons why the elephant get more light. Anyone, any help for camera, photos, picture? Maybe you want together. Oh yeah. Madam, it's beautiful. Yeah, now you see it. Whenever you have the ticket for her, she like, okay, you are my friend. Finish now, get more. Closer, closer. Beautiful. Wow. So I'll start we did that over there.
So we're going to drop on the ground and I'm going to bring the down.
Closer. Okay. Tung Chong. Her name.
You bet. All right. Hey, fam.
Throw it down. Throw it down.
Look at me. Dave and Becky. Big pack. You get a big pack.
Big pack.
I don't.
All right, you come over here.
Okay, throw on the floor, please.
Oh, throw it on the ground. I don't have any more.
Here.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Yes, get closer. 1,
Throw it on the ground.
3.
Okay, now when he's, yeah.
Okay, there we go. She's like, wait, John, your arm's covering her face.
Perfect.
We're like Lucy and Desi.
Okay, I'm gonna have take my picture.
Or maybe sometimes they get cold from the water. They're looking for a warm drink.
I know, I'm coming. The baby does not.
Bite you, die. But elephant, if like bite, it can come in. Their teeth are attacked. The elephant cry. The elephant when teeth, they not bite, they not chew. They cry.
So fun.
Together, look at the camera. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, buddy. I'm out. My bag is out. My bag is out.
You just said they were going to go. Get behind. Yeah, you're forgiving.
5, 6 there.
She's done with you. You're not up.
Oh, that one's too skinny.
Drop some.
So do they chew really well?
They cry. The elephant cannot chew, cannot bite. They cry because of the teeth are packed.
So it's like
You can see the sound that you see they put in.
Yeah,
That's it. Yeah. But not really a lot like
When they go down.
yeah. That's like to go anywhere. She's waiting there. She know we're gonna give her.
group.
Yeah, the next we wait there until. But now every day more than.
Oh, that's fun.
Yeah. Okay.
Enough.
1, 2, 3. Oh, beautiful. Okay.
Thank you.
Welcome. Every elephant, the most of elephant here get overbalance or overweight.
He likes.
You like the man? The princess, you like the man? You like the mister?
You like this one? How about that one? How's that smell?
Thank you.
Not so great.
Nicely done.
1, 2, 3. Oh, beautiful.
We're like, which one to look at? Oh, him. Okay, it's really you, right?
Grow up, you have the family, you have to do it for your family. And the man, you have to use elephant for work. I see the tongue is backward. Nah? Did you brush your teeth this morning? See, anyone like to touch a little bit of the tongue? Yeah. Yes. See?
Oh my goodness.
See? Because this food, like I told you before, we need to feed them directly in the mouth, not to the trunk. Elephant will smell. Not just only banana. Some of them smart, like teenager, like princess. They're not gonna eat this.
Bananas, I'm tearing it apart, and tamarind,
Tell us what you did.
and salt, and other pellets of nutrients.
They can eat the peels and everything.
Start breaking it up like this. We do this all the time.
Let's make a vitamin ball.
I want to put you down.
A little more.
Look at me.
Can I see your
Oh,
vitamin
they-
ball? Yeah.
They will love that.
Oh, it looks like a chocolate chip.
Yeah.
No, you need to do it too.
Yeah.
Fun. Good. Fun.
On.
All right, bud.
Little creepy.
That was fun.
Don't forget to grab the bucket and brush on the tables. I'm not recommending you walk directly to the end of the concrete because of it's very high step over there. So come out from the concrete wave.
That's so great.
Harder, water, some water, madam. Yep. And then you can use it. You have some bucket. Okay.
Becca, do you want your brush?
All right, you have your two.
Thank you.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Hands up, hands. Okay. One moment. Hello, 1, 2, 3. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Done. Đi lâu đi, anh em à. Hello everyone.
Hello.
Hands up, hands up.
The one behind me was good. Right,